Quick reading for January the 9th to January the 10th, Aries. Parang nagkaroon ng shift or nagpalit kayo ng role nitong person na ito. Ngayon siya naman yung malungkot, seeing you that you are parang changing your mood from being sad to becoming happy. So we have the Six of Cups, the Three of Cups, and the Five of Pentacles. I feel like nagkaroon talaga dito ng separation. Someone here left the other person in the cold. It could be you that that this person left. In the cold, nami-miss ka na nito, pero kasi parang nakikita niya na I think that you're moving forward, you're moving on, at medyo nakikita niya, nag-start ka na uling i-rebuild or i-rebuild yung sarili mo. Meron din siguro ditong hiya 'no, na, kung lalapit ako baka mamaya masira ko na naman yung buhay niya, pero mahal ko pa siya 'no. Parang ito yung sinasabi niya na, "Natatakot din ako kasi alam kong nasaktan ko 'no si, Aries, at parang baka mamaya is mag-cause pa ako ng mas maraming gulo 'no, or mas lalo ko siyang masaktan." So, this is your quick reading, Aries, for January the 9th to January the 10th.
Predicting future is my purpose. Yelling the stars alive.